When working to add more seafood into your diet, a great way to start is with recipes you already know are a hit. Try out this dish and a dash recipe for shrimp tacos and you'll have fish in a flash. First, start with cooked shrimp from the Food City Seafood Department. I chose a steamed shrimp that came pre-seasoned to start this dish off with some flavor. Then you're gonna heat about a teaspoon of oil in a skillet, adding items like corn or red or orange peppers. That's gonna add a bright pop of color. And then once that's cooled, after heating for about 2 minutes, you're gonna mix in with some Greek yogurt, a coleslaw mix, a little bit of lime juice, and I use a little bit of garlic and some cumin just to add a little bit of depth here. That's gonna serve as the base of our taco. So you might wanna start with about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup. And then we're just gonna finish that off with your pre-cooked shrimp. I do like to crisp up my tortilla either broiled in the oven or heated in that same skillet that you use to cook your peppers and corn. You're gonna add your shrimp and then garnish with a little bit of cilantro. And then ta-da, you have fish in a flash. That's a dish and a dash.